Hey guys, I thought I would give you a quick update before I go to bed. Okay, so I was able to get the shower drain cleaned and I scrubbed out the toilet, but it's gonna need some more work. I got piles of stuff in garment bags. I have stuff back in this corner, but I'm going through my summer clothes and I'm getting rid of things, so that's what that is. I will have to find a better place for these shoes, but that's where they are right now, because these are shoes I wear a lot. This is clothes that I'm thinking about wearing tomorrow. I put more stuff in this chair after clearing it out, but it's all stuff I'm laid out. And this is a dress that I just mended. I bought it and it had seams coming apart, and I'm hoping to wear this for my birthday Sunday, because I thought that was a really pretty blue velvet. I may wear it over the knee boots. I'm not crazy about the length, so I'll see if I keep it. Either I will, find a way to work with it, or I will replace it. Good. These are clamped tight because I have this just full of t-shirts and jeans. Probably going to be going through these some more, but yeah, moved all the summery things out. Moved all of my summer nightwear out, and I just have winter in there, and I'm supposed to put more winter in there. I've mostly cleared out this area. It's looking a lot better. I have to vacuum, but I've cleared it out to where I can vacuum now. And this is stuff I have to go through in my sewing stuff. And with the magnets, I moved all the big magnets over here because they're always falling off and getting in my way. I love to look at them, but this fridge is too small. And I cleaned all the dishes, put most of them away, and then I had a tea. Then I've been putting this off since last summer, which is ridiculous, but I put this liner in and it took me less than 3 minutes, and it's serving a purpose. It's not glued in, but it's out of my way and it's serving a purpose, and it's pretty. And I piled up this stuff more because I'm going to be going through this. I'm just kind of like getting out of the way for now. This big bag is summer stuff, and as I said, I've been going through it. I may go through it some more. Supposed to move all that into the trunk that's in the closet that still has winter stuff in it. From around 6 to 10:30. And I did take some breaks to, well, like to sew on that dress and stuff like that, to do a little bit of reading. But I hope this encouraged you guys, inspired you to work on your place, and I'm hoping it encourages me as well. I hope you guys all have a good week. Good night.